In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font color in Microsoft Word. If you've ever wanted your text to stand out, adjusting the font color is a quick and effective way to do it. We'll walk through the exact controls you need, and I'll add some practical tips so you feel confident choosing colors that look great and are easy to read. Start by selecting the text you want to modify. Click and drag over the words, or double-click to grab a single word. If you want a whole sentence or paragraph, keep dragging until everything you need is highlighted. The key is to make sure the text is visibly selected before you move on, because Word only applies color changes to what's highlighted. Next, go to the Home tab. This is the main dashboard for formatting tools in Word, and it's usually the first tab you see on the ribbon at the top. If you've clicked away to another tab, simply come back to Home so you can access the font controls. Within the Home tab, look for the font group. You'll find it near the left side of the ribbon. This section includes familiar options like font style, size, bold, italics, and the color tools. Knowing you're in the font group is a good double check that you're in the right place. Now, click the font color arrow. You're looking for the letter A with a colored underline. Don't click the A itself, click the small arrow right next to it. That arrow opens the full palette so you can see all your options instead of just applying the last color used. Choose a color from the menu that appears. You'll see Theme Colors and Standard Colors. Theme colors are designed to coordinate with your document's overall theme, which helps keep everything consistent. If your organization uses a specific template or you want a cohesive look, theme colors are a great choice. Standard colors are the classic fixed hues like red, blue, and green. Hovering over a color shows a preview on your selected text, which makes it easy to decide before you commit. If you need something more specific, select More Colors. This opens a dialog where you can pick from a wider spectrum or define a custom shade with precision. This is especially helpful when you're matching branding or fine-tuning contrast for readability. Once you've chosen the exact color you want, confirm your choice and your selected text will update instantly. And that's it. Select your text, head to the Home tab, open the font group, click the font color arrow, pick a color, or dive into More Colors for a perfect match. Try a few options, preview before you commit, and keep readability in mind. You'll have polished, professional-looking documents in no time.